One of the things that's really critical about keeping a cherry cold is obviously the refrigeration equipment has to work. We can't afford downtime. We can't find that we've got something that's improperly designed, or inevitably you do get a breakdown. And that's where we value Gateway. When we do have an issue, they're out here very quickly. It doesn't matter if it's 2 o'clock in the morning. They'll be here and they'll get us up and running again very promptly. And it's not just for the sake of the cherries that it's critical. It's also critical from the cost efficiency, because we've got staff on site. Basically, it's a couple $1,000s an hour that we're burning in staff time. So the service component that we receive from Gateway is every bit as important as the design component and the installation component. The new facility is 140,000 square feet. It has a 28-lane optical sizer, Unitec optical sizer. We're anticipating our volume per hour here is going to go from 7 ton up to 18 ton per hour, and a much more automated facilities.
We have a lot of buildings that we've built in service, and we continue to have new clients call us and coming over to have us help them. And we definitely understand their processes, we understand their season.
They understand the cherry business kind of inside out, and that is really invaluable when you're designing and procuring equipment.
We build cherry hydrocoolers. We refrigerate the water that cools the cherry. And we've managed to come up with a method of maintaining between 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit and 35 degree water continuously throughout the entire 50-day packing without making ice. It's our specialty. That's why people come to us to buy hydrocoolers. No one else has found a way to get the water that cold without making ice on the evaporators.
We're looking for a good product and good service, because cherries we pack only for 6 weeks, so we need a good service 24/7 during the cherry season, and Gateway provides us that.